Oh, number 6. F of x is equal to x squared plus bx plus c. And you're told that, and I should say here, b and c, some unknown constants. You don't know what they are. We're going to figure them out by the end of the problem. And you're also told that at x is equal to 3, the equation for the tangent line there to this curve is 12x plus y is equal to 10. So before we do anything else, I just want to illustrate what's going on here. We are told that at x is equal to 3, this is an equation of the tangent line. 12x plus y is equal to 10. Okay, so in particular, realize that at x equal to 3, f of x and y, being defined here in terms of x here, have to have the same value. So what do we get? What do we get when we plug in x is equal to 3 into this equation? We get 12 times 3 plus y is equal to 10. Or 36 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 36, negative 26. Okay, so the picture lies a little bit because this should be below the x-axis, not above the x-axis, but it still shows what's going on because for this tangent line here, the point is x is 3, y is negative 26. That shows us here that f of 3 must also equal negative 26. So that takes care of part A here. F of 3 is negative 26. For part B, f prime of 3, we're going to get that again from the equation here of this tangent line, because what does this show us? It shows us here, so okay, y, okay, I'm just going to write 12x plus y is equal to 10. If I rearrange this to get y is equal to 10 minus 12x, I can see here, okay, again, the picture is lying, but I can see here that the slope of this line is negative 12. So slope should be negative, not slope is positive, but that's okay. Picture is lying to us. We know that here that the slope is negative 12. And why does that care about, what effect does that have here on part B of the problem? Because f prime of 3, the derivative is the slope of the tangent line at that point. So that tells us that f prime of 3 is equal to negative 12. Okay, what do we do with these two pieces of information here? Well, what we can do, because in part C and D it says calculate out values of b and c here, if we take the derivative of f of x here, f prime of x is going to equal 2x plus b. F prime of x is equal to 2x plus b. F prime of 3, when we plug in 3, we get 2 times 3 plus b. That's 6 plus b, but we want that to equal, from up here, we want that to equal negative 12. So b is equal to, move that 6 to the other side, negative 18. Okay, so great. We now know that f of x is x squared minus 18 times x plus c. To finish off the problem, we need to figure out what is c. What is c here? So f of 3, now we have to plug in 3. F of 3 is 3 squared minus 18 times 3 plus c. That's 9 minus 54 is negative 45 plus c. And we want that to equal negative 26. Solving this for c gives us c is equal to 19. So the most important part of this problem is realizing that being told that the equation of the tangent line at x equals 3, 12x plus y is equal to 10, that gives you both f of 3 and f prime of 3 if you think about how to cleverly come up with that.